The late Senator Miriam Defensor-Santiago is behind the success of Rabiya Mateo for winning the Miss Universe 2020 crown. The late lady senator was a key answer for the 23-year-old Iloilo beauty during the final round of the pageant. Mateo was asked, if you could create a new paper currency with the image of any Filipino, dead or alive, who would it be and why? Mateo replied it would be Defensor-Santiago, describing her as the best president that the country never had.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.